Want to know the secret weapon that turns Facebook ads into a conversion-generating machine? In this video, we're going to walk you through exactly how to connect your Stripe account to Facebook Pixel, so you can finally see which ads are actually driving sales. First, head over to Facebook Events Manager. You'll find it within your Facebook business settings. Make sure you've selected the correct pixel you want to use. Click on the Settings tab. Now scroll down until you see the Automatic Advanced Matching section. Ensure Automatic Advanced Matching is turned on. This is crucial for sending customer data from Stripe to Facebook. While remaining compliant with privacy policies, we'll need to agree to the terms. Next, log into your Stripe account. You'll need to grab your Stripe API keys. You can find these under the Developer section. Then API keys. Now, this next step requires some technical know-how or help from your developer. You'll need to implement a server-side integration using your Stripe secret key and your Facebook Pixel ID. This involves using Stripe Webhooks to listen for successful payment events. When a payment goes through, your server will send that purchase event data along with the customer details captured by Automatic Advanced Matching to Facebook. Once set up, you'll start seeing purchase events flowing into your Facebook Ads Manager. This allows you to track the return on ad spend, optimize your campaigns for more conversions, and ultimately grow your business.